So the first thing I'm gonna do, I've got this old spray bottle. I filled it with white vinegar and some water. So I'm just gonna spray all the surfaces down and just kind of give it a good clean. So my initial plan was to try and strip the veneer and see if we could get a little bit of a different stain on it. But I let the stripper sit for about 30 minutes and it didn't seem to have any effect. So I went ahead and wiped it down and just gave it a rough sand. I used a damp cloth to wipe the excess dust off, and as you can see here, I tried the stain, and yeah, it didn't do anything. So it's not staining like I would hope, so let's just go with plan B and paint it. Being the wife of a painter, I wanted to try and do a good job, so I made sure to stay about a foot away and do just light, even coverage, and I did about 3 coats, letting it dry completely between each coat. Alright, I just put the second coat on, now we're just gonna let it dry. I got this piece of fabric at Hobby Lobby and I just cut out a square about 1 inch or 2 longer than each side, and I'm just going to glue it on the seat.